Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us here at Banknote Trading, where we take a look at the US dollar pairs in the Forex market. Today, we'll start by taking a look at Euro USD on the 4-hour chart, and we'll start by mapping out the current range that we're in. Obviously, price had continued to push up last week, and now it started to be in the consolidation channel. So it looked like a bull flag, and now it has gone back into discount, and it's still in this channel, but I'll go ahead and make the chart clearer. So right now, looking for any type of buying situation. I do have a buy stop planned. Once these highs are broken on this current 4-hour candle, due to it breaking past the highs of within this channel, but looking for any type of bullish momentum shift whenever this fails to break down lower. Looking to target the highs, expecting prices to continue higher as the price has gone back, pulled back into discount. Looking for any type of confirmation that this is now the new higher low. This will remain here until the prices start to make that move. GBP USD. So let's go ahead and map out the current range. Since this is breaking down, this is the current range. As I was saying last week, that it looks like this was a liquidity sweep from the highs of the range, and this week I'll only be looking for any type of selling opportunity. So this is no longer just a higher low was broken, and it hasn't formed, in my opinion, any type of lower high yet. No type of significant pullback. I do expect prices to come up into discount of this range, so this is just a strong high for now that shouldn't be broken, as I'm not looking for any type of buying opportunities for GBP USD. It may retrace, like I was saying, it may retrace back into discount, back into premium. Could target this supply area. I mean, there's liquidity sitting over these highs, but overall, from a weekly perspective, what I was looking at last week, this looks like a liquidity sweep above all these highs, like I was saying. So I'm only looking for any type of sells to target lower prices. Not sure how far it would go, but we know from previous price action, none of these demand areas have been targeted yet, have been hit. So right now, currently for pound dollar, any type of retracement into premium, I'll be looking for any type of selling opportunity. Right now, it's too low to sell. AUD USD, so Aussie dollar, also broke past the lows. Let's go ahead and map out the current range. Continue to break down. Unlike the clear liquidity for GBP USD, Aussie dollar has not. Well, it did. It just wasn't a strong liquidity as GBP USD. So I would be looking for any type of continuation of this down move, continuation of lower prices. Looking for any type of retracement back into premium. Looking for any type of bearish momentum shift, and that indicates that prices will continue to move lower. But I am also looking for any type of buying opportunities up until it reaches premium. Like I said, it's not as strong as a sweep as GBP USD. Clearly, the overall price range, it was ranging. And then check out the lows. Check out the liquidity under these lows. So now this is these new lows forming. So really looking for selling opportunities once it presents itself another opportunity to sell. NZD USD. Similar chart. It has swept all the lows. Let's go ahead and map out the current range. And this current range, AW price range, because it took out all the lows of the previous structure. So before, this looked like it was forming a bear flag. Now the liquidity has been taken out under all the lows, so it could possibly start the retracement back up into higher prices. But for now, still looking for any type of selling opportunities when prices come back into premium. But just like with AUD USD, we'll be looking if price action presents itself to take buys back up into premium. But overall, it's a strong push down, looking for a further continuation of that push down once it retraces. GBP AUD. But map out the current range. This is the higher low. Prices continue to push up. Now it's retracing back into discount. So now we're looking for any type of buying opportunities. This does look overextended, but with this pair, with these cross pairs, GBP, AUD, bulls have just been strong, which I've been saying last week. Buyers have just been strong every time any type of retracement happened. Didn't really give a significant retracement back into the prices of the range before. The impulses just continued. So I'll be looking for any type of buying opportunity now that prices have gone back into discount. Hopefully, if it does retrace back more into this area of demand, then I will be looking for any opportunity to buy any type of bullish momentum shift, looking to target higher prices. But since it already is in discount, I'll be looking now also on lower time frames. GBP NZD, a similar chart. Let's go to map out the current range. Also retrace back into discount, and it has hit this demand zone, so I'm on a lookout for any type of bullish momentum shift. While it's in this area, prices, still keep in mind that prices could continue to retrace back down further, because there hasn't been any, just like with GBP AUD, hasn't been any type of retracement. Buyers are still in control. No liquidity. I mean, there's liquidity all on these lows, haven't been taken out yet, so prices could continue to push down. But as I was saying, just with GBP AUD, buyers have always stayed in control with this pair for the last few weeks. So I'm looking for any type of buying opportunities when they present itself on a lower time frame. From this area, if it does push down past this area, and also looking for any type of buying opportunities that will chase back down further if the momentum shifts back into the direction toward higher prices. That's all I have for you today. Thank you for joining us.